Companies that use visual dashboards make decisions 28% faster than those relying on raw data tables, according to a 2025 McKinsey report. Every great dashboard starts with clean, structured data in an Excel table. I'll show you how to organize your raw data so every chart and slicer connects automatically. We'll create dynamic KPI cards that show revenue, growth rate, and target progress using SUMIFs and conditional formatting. These update instantly when data changes. Adding slicers to pivot charts lets users filter by region, product, or time period with a single click. I'll show you how to connect multiple charts to the same slicer for synchronized filtering. Starting from a blank sheet, I build the complete dashboard in real time. You'll see every click, every formula, and every design choice from raw data to polished final product. Download the free template in the description and build your own dashboard today. Subscribe for more Excel projects that level up your career.